We had a great game in the first leg. Two important teams in the continent. I think the two teams played a fantastic football in the first leg. We finished 1-1, but you know, in the cup games, sometimes it's a question of mental. We want to go to that game with a lot of ambitions. I think we had the qualities to go to perform, and we have to be ready for that game. We know that it will not be easy because we don't play at home, but we will try to find resources to go definitely to pass through, and we have a title to defend. Orlando Pirates were winning this cup, so we will definitely go with a lot of ambitions to defend our title, and the boys are ready to perform. That's it.